Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Nali from It Starts at Home, and I'm sharing with you these amazing DIY easy to make but super brain teasers for kids to start any time of the day, easy for you to make, and absolutely engaging, very easy, interactive, and completely DIY. All you need is paper and some pencils, some colors. That's it, nothing else. If you have your maths notebook, you might have the graph sheets there, or just a graph notebook would suffice. And even if not, you could just use a white paper and make that. So guys, without further delay, let me show it to you what the activities are. But before that, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. All right, in the first activity here, I have dot hunts, and we have a graph here, and we have A to Z and 1 to 10 on respective X and Y axis. And then these dots are placed randomly, but not that random. There are some questions here that needs to be answered. So like, which color dot is placed on C4 and H8? So here, the child has to find what's on C4 and H8. And then they need to write the color right here, or can paste the sticker. You could use a sketch pen, and then you can ask the child to just color the right answer. The next one is locate and report red and orange dots. So they have to find where are the red and orange dots. They have to find their placing, and then they need to write. So like C7 is orange. So orange, C7, and then E5. So like that, the child has to write. The next one is the blue dot on G6 and D2? It's a question of yes or no. They have to figure it out and write the answer. So that was activity number 1. Let me come back to this in the end. This is a super engaging activity. I would recommend this activity to be done like one at a day, so that you have like 4 activities next to next, day on day to do it. So here I have used again my graph paper and written 1 to 100, taking 55 in the middle, and I have made the 6 questions around it. So it says 4 squares to the right, 2 squares down. So I'm going to show you how. 4 squares to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 squares down, 1, 2. The answer is 79. You're going to write 79 right here. So respectively, 3 squares up, 4 squares right. So if you will see, I have these 2 conditions here. Then it goes to 3, it goes to 4. Then I have 5 and 5 respectively. This says 2 square right, 5 square up, 3 square right, 7 squares down, 2 squares on the left. So it just goes difficult, or maybe more engaging, or more challenging with everyone. But you start with this one, and if you're doing it with younger kids, you could always, or if you think it's too challenging, you could just keep it simple and just do like 3 squares up, 4 squares to the left. So something like this, and the answer is right here. So this is primarily a direction-based activity. In the next activity, you have again a grade 4x4, and you have to create a shape. So let's see, you have 3 up. So the black spot is where you go 1, 2, 3. Then you have 2 right, 1, 2, then 3 down, 1, 2, 3, and 2 left. 1, 2. You have your shape ready. So the same way, I have 2 and 3 more activities for kids to do it. Now the last one is a conclusion of all these 4 activities, where the child has to navigate the path and write it to start to finish. You have a starting point right here, and then you have the finish point right here. The child needs to go up. So I've written here as 2U. So 2U means 2 up. 1, 2, the child is right here, and then you go further up, or here, wherever you go, you got to keep writing the steps till the time you finish to the end. So that's it, guys. I think these are pretty cool activities for you to build or to try out with the kids. If you guys have not been doing brain teasers, I would say this is a great start for introducing brain teasers with your kids. And I will try and record when Vivan is doing these activities. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys.